start, center, and angle. You just activate this point, start, center, and angle. This is your start point. This is
Yes,
your
sir.
center point.
Center.
Or now you have to specify the
Angle.
angle. How much angle you want?
120.
You just specify as 120.
120.
So if I joining these 2 points, this angle is 120. Right?
Okay.
The next method is start, center, and length. You just specify the start point, and this is your center point, and the length of chord. Right? Specify the length of chord. Right? You just specify the length here like this. So this is your desired arc with the start, center, and length. Right?
Yes, sir.
The next method is start and angle.
Start in angle.
In this case, we have start point and end point.
End point.
You just specify the start point, and this is your end point, and now specify the angle. Right? How much angle you want at the center?
100.
100. You just specify the 100 here, and see the center point is shifted to here, and angle at the center. This distance is, this angle is
100.
100.
100. Right?
Yes, sir.
So now this point is clear.
Yes, sir.
Next method is
Start and direction.
start and end direction. So in this case also we have the start and end. You just select the start point and end point of your arc and specify the direction. In which direction you have to draw your arc. Right?
Okay.
Sir, here in first one we took a downside, no, sir, direction.
In this method you can change the direction in upward or downward. Like this.
Okay.
And sir, measurement? Sir, measurement?
Measurement what?
For direction, only direction. It gives only direction.
Yes. We have the start and end point and direction.
Okay.
Upward or direction, downward, right?
Yes.
Okay. The next method is start and radius, which is dependent on the radius of your circle. In this also we have some limitation, because the maximum radius is of the half of these points.
Yes, sir.
Right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
So in this method we have limitations, so you can specify as 50. So this is the radius 50 diameter arc. Right?
So repeat it.
This method included start and radius.
Yes.
If I draw, this is the start point and this is the end point. Right?
End point. Yes.
What is the maximum radius?
120.
Half of this distance between these 2 points.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right? If you give the
Yes, sir.
distance bigger than this, the arc is unable to draw.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Okay.
Okay, you just click here. The next method is start, center, start, and end. In this method, we have to specify the center point first, and then the start point, and then end point.
End point.
Like this. Right?
Okay.
The next method is center and the start point and angle. What angle you want? If you want the 90, you just press the 90. Right?
Okay.
And the last one is center, start and length.
length.
Left.
This is your chord length. And the last one is continue. Continue means it starts from the your last arc, like this. It automatically connected to the end point of your last arc. Now, if I
Okay.
take the continue, the start point is this point.
Okay. It comes up to that level, previous one.
Yes, the start point of your continue arc is the end point of your last arc.
Yes, sir. Starting work.
Yes. So this is your arcs.
Arc.
Yes.
Okay.
With the arc, I completed these basic drawings, except polygon and hedge. Right? Polyline,
Okay.
polyline is similar as the line. Just see,
Okay. Sir.
if I draw a rectangle with the help of line command, we just specify the distance as 150, and now downward direction, this is 100, and again this is 150, and this is again 100, right?
Yes.
And now I'm going to draw a rectangle with the polyline. I just activated the polyline. The shortcut key of
Okay.
polyline is PL, right?
Okay.
Uh,
Okay. Sir.
PL.
Specify the first point, right? Specify the
Okay.
first point. You just click here, right? And specify the distance. You just press 150,
Okay.
and again in the downward direction 100,
100.
and in the reverse direction 150, and now 100.
100.
So what is the difference to draw with the help of line and with the polyline? Any difference you
Polyline.
see?
No, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
But there is a little bit of difference. First difference is,
Okay.
if you want to select any of the line segment from this rectangle, which is drawn by the line command, you
Okay.
just select it. If you want to delete it, you can delete it.
Okay.
But
But
in
it
the
continues.
polyline, this is the continue or connected line segments,
Yeah, sir.
which is not editable.
Okay.
You can't
Delete.
delete any of the line segment from this, right or wrong?
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
We can use
So
wherever we require.
yes, this is the basic difference from the line and the polyline,
Polyline.
Polyline.
right?
Yes, sir.
So now my draw command is completed. That's why
So what is that H, sir?
hatch means to fill the any closed area by the any pattern, right?
Example.
The example.
Example, I am showing this in the figure. See, this area is filled by this inclined lines.
Okay. Yes, sir.
This
Shades.
with filled with the shades. This is the example
Okay.
of hatching.
H.
Okay.
But first you draw something, then I apply the hatch, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I'm going giving you some examples to draw some figures. First one I give you given, and second one is this, and third one is Third one is this. Tomorrow is your holiday because Sunday is right.
Holiday. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
In this one also. The four drawing
3
is
figures, sir.
no. I give you the four. Right.
Okay, sir.
Show me, sir, how to fill a hatch in rectangle.
This topic I teach you earlier later on, right?
Okay, sir. Now we have to just draw that two figures, sir.